Welcome to InvestoSphere. If you want to tap into one of the fastest growing markets of our time and build a profitable online business from scratch, you're in the right place. In this video, we are diving deep into how you can launch a business that sells branding templates specifically tailored for AI startups. AI startups are booming. From automation tools to virtual assistants, from image recognition to natural language processing, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing every industry. But there's one major challenge these startups face: creating professional branding that aligns with their cutting-edge technology. And that's where you come in. In this video, you will learn how to create and sell premium branding templates to AI startups, step by step. We will walk you through the market research, the tools you need, the design principles, how to market your templates, how to scale your business, and much more. So grab a notebook, stay with us till the very end, and let's build something valuable together. Understanding the opportunity. The AI industry is projected to reach over $1.5 trillion by the end of this decade. Startups are popping up daily, each needing a sleek, professional, and futuristic brand identity. Most of these startups don't have an in-house design team or the budget to hire a top-tier branding agency. This gap creates a powerful opportunity for you. You can create template-based branding packages that include logos, color schemes, font pairings, pitch deck templates, social media kits, website layouts, and more. These are ready to use or easily customizable and perfect for bootstrap startups looking to get off the ground quickly. Defining your niche in AI branding. AI is a vast field. Your first step is to narrow your niche. Here are some niche segments within AI: healthcare AI startups, fintech AI startups, edtech AI startups, robotic startups, SaaS AI platforms, voice assistant technology companies. Each of these segments has different design expectations and aesthetics. By focusing on a niche, you increase your chances of becoming the go-to source for branding in that particular area. Market research and competitive analysis. Before creating anything, you must understand what's already out there. Spend time on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, Envato Elements, Gumroad, Product Hunt. Look at existing branding templates. Note their styles, pricing, customer feedback, and what is missing. Use tools like Google Trends to find design keywords AI startups are searching for. Explore startup databases like Crunchbase or AngelList to understand how AI startups present themselves visually. Assembling your toolkit. To get started, you don't need expensive software. Here's a simple but powerful toolkit. Canva Pro, user-friendly and efficient for template design. Adobe Illustrator, ideal for custom logos and vector graphics. Figma, great for web and app UI branding templates. Notion, for organizing your ideas and client workflow. Loom, for recording short videos explaining how to use the templates. You will also need a platform to sell your templates. Popular options include Gumroad, Shopify, Payip, Etsy, your own website via WordPress or Webflow. Designing the branding templates. Now comes the creative part. Every branding pack should include logo templates. Make several variations that suit AI startups. Think futuristic, minimalistic, and tech-forward. Color palette. Use cool tones like blues, purples, and metallics. Create color schemes that reflect innovation and trust. Font combinations. Offer pairings that reflect professionalism and modernity. Pitch deck slides. Include slides for mission, vision, product features, market size, team, and roadmap. Social media kit. Instagram post templates, LinkedIn banners, and Twitter headers. Website elements. Homepage layout, product page, pricing table, contact form. Branding guidelines PDF. A simple guide that explains how to use all the above assets. Pricing your templates. You can price your packages based on the value and customization level. Starter pack includes logo, color palette, and fonts. Price around $20 to $30. Premium pack includes full branding kit. Price between $70 to $150. Custom branding Offer a service where you tweak the templates to the client's needs for a higher fee. Marketing your templates. Marketing is everything. Use these strategies. SEO optimized website. Make sure people searching for AI startup branding templates find you. Pinterest. Great for visual marketing. Share high-quality pins of your templates. Instagram. Post before and after brand makeovers, carousels, and reels explaining branding tips. Twitter. Engage with startup founders and share branding advice. LinkedIn. Publish thought pieces on branding for AI companies. Cold outreach. Find new AI startups from Product Hunt or Crunchbase and send personalized messages with a free sample. Scaling your business. Once you get traction, scale by hiring designers to expand your template library, creating affiliate programs to boost your reach, launching a membership site for monthly branding assets, running targeted ads on Google and LinkedIn, partnering with startup incubators to offer packages to new companies, managing client workflow. Even if you sell templates, clients may reach out for small tweaks. Create a simple workflow using Notion or Trello. Use Calendly for scheduling calls. Use forms to gather client information upfront. Automate as much as possible with tools like Zapier. Building a strong brand around your templates. Your own branding must reflect the value you offer. Have a clean, professional website. Consistently use your brand colors and fonts. Create a story around your mission. Share testimonials and case studies. Offer free resources like ebooks or email courses to attract leads. You now have a detailed blueprint to launch your own business selling branding templates to AI startups. This is a powerful and scalable business model that not only taps into a booming market, but also allows you to express creativity while generating income. Take the time to research, build high-quality products, and put effort into your marketing. The more you understand the pain points of AI startup founders, the better your templates will perform. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below about which part you found most insightful. Don't forget to subscribe to InvestoSphere for more in-depth content on online businesses and smart investing strategies. And now, before we end, let me ask you, if you were launching an AI startup today, what would you want your branding to say about your company? How important do you think visual identity is in gaining investor trust? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.